Hello, my brothers and sisters. How na dey? I greet everybody. Also, na dey fine. Thank you for being there for me. God will bless una. As una dey help me take dey share the video. As una take dey put like, comment. God will really bless everybody. God will bless una. Una do well. So this video, I just carry am come my brothers and sisters. And this video, una dey watch so, e go viral well for Facebook. E go viral because this family dem go church, dem go do dedication of their baby. So as dem go church now, so people come dey, say dem dey video. So as dem video the video, put am for net. So people come dey feel for this man. Say this man, e no get even wheelchair wey dem take dey waka. See as e take dey waka follow e wife, and e wife carry baby, dem dey happy. So the man now, im dey use all e body for ground like that, take dey dance, take dey thank God, say God, you do well for wetin you do for us. So this video as e go viral now, so people come dey wonder, say where these people, where dem dey? Dem come dey ask, say dem need this family, dem need their contact. So one good man like that come really find them. I'll still put the other video make una take see where as the man dey find them. So they even talk ask the man the work wey dey do. I'll put the other video, una still see am. So as the man dey dance for altar now, dey dance, dey use e body, because say person wey e body complete now with person wey body not complete, not be the same thing. So the thing really touch many people for mind, say this man come church like this, dey dance, dey use e body take dey, no even care, e dey happy. So many people ask for the contact, dem wan help am to buy wheelchair for am. At least e go still get that one wey go take dey roll dey go. So a man wey God go bless really get the contact, dem do this thing, and dem really buy the wheelchair. I go put the video make una say see the wheelchair wey dem really buy for this man. At least e go still dey use that one. So dem come show where dem dey live. Then the man get another baby boy, which is maybe 4 years old boy. So dem come dey ask dem, say which work dem dey work. So the man say him be shoemaker. So e no get work like that wey dey do. And him wife dey sell groundnut, dey hawk groundnut dey sell. So my brothers and sisters, wetin make me bring this video come, because normally a country wey be say country wey good, wey be say real country, because una know say our own no be real one, our own na fake country. Because real country wey really dey good, people wey disable like this, dem no dey live there like that, dey waka like that. Dem dey help them with wheelchair, things like that. But our own, dem no care. Even though say you get one eye, you get one hand, nobody even dey mind you. Now you go say this my disabled, I no leave am, may just weak me down. Say person wey get leg and hand, e still dey difficult for am to find job. Talk less person wey be disabled, so e still dey difficult. So the man dey do e own shoemaker. Our country, like say dem dey help all these people, dem dey help them for abroad. Dem dey make sure say dem give them wetin really dey okay for them, because they must get their own family. But our country, who care? They no care. They no even mind whether you get your leg or you not get your hand or you get ear. They no care. So my brothers and sisters, the video really touched me. The way the man take dey do, way take dance, he no let shame catch am. I'll put the video more and see what shall do well. Now bye bye. God bless you all.
Okay. So, gentlemen, this is the man. He's here. He said he's from Ethiopia. What you said is your name? Monday. This is the man that did the child dedication, which was posted on Facebook. And due to the pressure of everybody asking me to locate them, I have just found them. Here is the woman who was dancing joyously, to the altar. She was dancing, and this was actually attracted people. The young man is here with the wife at Agbaro. I'm right in their compound in Agbaro. Agbaro is located in Ugele local government. located in Ughelli non-local government area of Delta State. Agbaro is close to Warri, close to Okwokoko. On your way out, they are along the road. I've just met them. This is the pastor of the church, Brother Rukpeji of St. Luke African Church, Agbaro. This is the pastor of the church who you saw that was also dancing. And this is Shipita, a friend who saw it on Facebook and decided to let the world know that he knows them, and he took me here. So as I'm talking, speaking with you right off, I'm right in Agbaro. I'm right in Agbaro, just it's called Princess Junction. Princess Junction, you can see the young man here making calls.
Hello, good morning.
Making call. So, madam, what is your name? When I show the face of your baby, because daddy, you dropped this child at the altar because you were so happy. Your name is Rose. What do you do for a living?
Okay,
You sell granuts. Do you hug the granuts?
Yes.
You hug them around Agbaro and elsewhere. Oh, very, very good. Well,
Okay. And Princess Joshua.
so how many children do you have?
Ade Agbaro.
How many of them do you have? Okay, just one, boy and a girl. How old is the boy?
4 years.
4 years. Is he in school now?
Yes.
Which school is he?
I dey hear you.
Grace Group of School.
Gabriel School in Agbaro here. Okay, that's where the boy school. Said the young soul is still in the primary school. He's here. I'm right in Agbaro. I'm right in Agbaro. Where is the boy? Please bring him so that the world can see them. How beautiful. It's a very beautiful girl. Looking very smiling. This is wonderful. God is wonderful. It's awesome. Awesome God. Awesome God. So what do you do for a living, sir?
Actually, I have nothing doing.
You have nothing doing, but what is your trade? You learn any skill?
Yes, I learn how to build palm and sandals.
Oh, that is that is shoemaking. Palm, okay. You build sandals, you build shoes and everything. So what?
I
So
don't have the equipment for the work.
okay, for now you don't have any equipment for the work. So how do you feed? How do you feed? How do you feed?
I feel bad.
No, how do you feel? My voice
Okay. It's powered by my wife and my
Oh, he said he doesn't do anything now because there is no equipment to do his trade. That is the wife. So he lives on the wife who hauls groundnut around Agbaro. I feel like crying for them. I feel like crying because this is wonderful. God, it's wonderful. So I'm here to get this, video for the world to see that what we posted is real. What we posted is real. What we posted. So, Pastor, we want to thank you.
The boy is my first born.
They have a boy of 4 years old. This is the compound they live in Agbaro here. This is the compound they live. It's a very kind of an environment. It's it's looking like a rural area, but though Agbaro is like most urban. This is the first child, the son who is 4 years old. Is just working with a pastor. They are here living in this environment. This is where they live. They live in one room here. These are their neighbors who are around with them. These are their neighbors. You can see the environment which the guy is living. No job, no nothing. No nothing. No nothing. You can see it. You can see the environment. So, Pastor, I want to appreciate you. And God will continue to bless you. We saw it, but Pastor, I just want to ask you a question. I don't know what actually happened why the church, have not been able to get them, a wheelchair.
Of course, we are making modality for that even before now, before the dedication. Trying our best how to support him so that we can win this program.
Okay. So for now, there is no wheelchair for them. The man has no equipment to do his job. He learned shoemaking. He's shoemaking, and so what he needs is equipment to get a store and other things to start up the business. So this is the family, ladies and gentlemen. You can see them here. You can see the chanting environment. They are living, but the issue is it's not just all about the chanting environment. It's how people can empower this young man to survive, because he's now living under the canopy of the wife, which is not in our tradition in Africa here. Thank you very much. Well, this is the photo clips. For the photo clips, let me take other pictures which I'll send. God bless you.